What if I told you the way you dress could help you get what you want in life? Because science shows that the way you dress has a direct impact on your behavior, confidence, and performance. So in this video, I would like to introduce you to a psychological phenomenon called enclothed cognition. First, I will briefly explain what it is, and then I'll show you how you can use it to your advantage in your professional and personal life in 5 simple steps. Enclothed cognition is a psychological concept that explains how the clothes you wear can actually change the way you think and behave. The term originates from a 2012 study by psychologists Hayo Adam and Adam Galinsky. They discovered that people who wore a white coat, described as a doctor's coat, performed better on attention tests. But when the same coat was labeled a painter's coat, that performance boost disappeared. That experiment revealed something powerful. It's not the fabric that matters, it's the meaning attached to it. When you wear something that symbolizes focus, confidence, or authority, your brain aligns with that identity and your behavior adjusts to match it. And this applies to everything you wear. A sharp blazer can make you stand taller and speak clearer. Gym clothes can make you feel more disciplined. Even your watch or shoes can serve as cues that remind you of the standard you hold yourself to. So in short, your clothes aren't just an outfit, they're a trigger. They shape your mindset, your posture, and even your performance. Now, if you want to learn more about enclothed cognition, I have linked all my sources in the description below. Now let's talk about how you can actually use this idea, not just understand it. Here are 5 ways to apply enclothed cognition in your daily life. Step 1. Define the role you want to embody. Every man should know the identity he's reinforcing through his clothes. I have determined that there are 4 main style archetypes. The classic gentleman, refined, composed, timeless. The modern minimalist, clean, structured, efficient. The rugged explorer, and the creative icon. It's up to you to decide who you want to project. Pick one main archetype and let it guide your decisions. Or you can, of course, combine them. I usually combine the classic gentleman with the modern minimalist. You can use Instagram or Pinterest as inspiration to guide you. When you know who you're dressing as, every outfit becomes intentional, and that is exactly what we're trying to achieve. Step 2. Align your wardrobe with that identity. Clothes should make you feel like the person you want to become. That means tailored pieces that actually fit your body. Clean lines, refined colors, navy, beige, gray, black, white, and pay attention to the small details. Posture, grooming, accessories, they all reinforce the message you're sending to yourself. When you put on a well-fitted shirt and polish your shoes, your brain gets the signal, this is a man who has his life in order. Step 3. Dress intentionally every day, even when you're home alone and nobody's watching, because your subconscious is always watching. If you dress sloppy, your mind behaves accordingly. If you take just 5 minutes to look sharp, you're programming focus before the day even begins. Remember, comfort is temporary, but self-respect lasts all day. Step 4. Use clothing as a trigger for performance. Have specific modes in your wardrobe. Clothes for high focus work, clothes for the gym, clothes for going out. Each outfit acts as a cue that switches your mental state, just like athletes have pre-game rituals. When you wear your work uniform, your brain automatically snaps into productivity mode. As you can see, I'm wearing my double-breasted navy suit I usually wear when I'm out with friends. So I associate this suit with being social and talking to people. And therefore, I'm having an easy time talking to you right now. Alright, step 5, and arguably the most important step. Track your behavior. Start noticing patterns. Do you speak more confidently when you're dressed better? Do people treat you differently? Do you feel more capable? That is feedback, your brain confirming that this works. And you have to reinforce that feeling. Repeat it until it becomes part of who you are. Because identity isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent repetition of how you see and present yourself every day. Now, most guys think style is just about impressing other people. But once you understand enclothed cognition, you realize it's much deeper than that. It's about how you feel when you walk out the door. Because when you dress with intention, you're not chasing confidence, you're creating it. And the truth is, every man already has two wardrobes. One for who he is now, and one for who he could become. And the moment you start dressing for that future vision, even slightly, your behavior will start to catch up. I'm currently building something called Style OS, a free community for men who want to master their look, improve their confidence, and build a personal system for style and presence. It's still early, but I'm inviting the first few people to join me as I build it, to learn, give feedback, and shape what Style OS becomes. Now, if you want to be part of that from the beginning and build something together, there's a link below. Join early, get involved, and help build something that reminds men of what it means to dress well and live with intention. Thank you for watching.